this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a fun and easy bar graph nail design that can be done on any length or shape of nails. So here we'll start with OPI's gel color, Samoan sand, for a really clean neutral base. I picked out a dozen different colors and started drawing bars in different heights and different colors on each nail, with every nail having a different color combination. And just continue to add bars until the last space is filled. After completing all of your bars, you're going to take a black gel color and outline each bar. I like to give it 2 coats. It really gives it a pop. To finish this super cute bar graph design, we're going to top it with some gel mats. Here it is, the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. If so, subscribe to Live Lux Lisa for more.